Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make carrot walnut bars. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Lightly grease an 8 or 9 inch square baking pan and set it aside for now. Thin in a medium or large bowl. Add in the flour, brown sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and cinnamon, and whisk them until they're well combined. Then add in the egg, canola or vegetable oil, and vanilla extract, and mix them just until they're combined. Then add in the grated carrots, chopped walnuts, and coconut, and mix them in until they're thoroughly combined. Pour the batter into the prepared pan. Spread it out until it's even, and bake it in the oven for about 20 minutes until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely. To make the cream cheese frosting, in a medium bowl, add in the softened cream cheese and softened butter, and beat them with an electric mixer on high speed for a few minutes until they're light. Then add in the vanilla extract and mix it in until it's combined. Sift the powdered sugar into a separate bowl. Add it into the cream cheese and butter mixture a little at a time, mixing well after adding each addition. Once all of it is added, beat it on high speed for another minute. And finish it by hand to mix in all the ingredients. Once the carrot walnut bars are completely cooled, spread the frosting all over the top of them. When ready to serve, just cut it up into bars and serve. And that's how to make carrot walnut bars. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.